No.
I did smell burning. That's because the cigarette was burning.
No, but it was like
burning fabric.
I know.
I don't fucking
Shit. I'm sorry. I can't reach the brake.
Do not kill us. I don't think it's back here. If it was, it went out or something. I don't know. You're all the way up.
I was all my knees were. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I don't smell it anymore.
I don't either. I just like threw myself back here.
Now it says that your seatbelt's off.
Okay, hold on, car. See, I thought your car was beeping because it was burning.